ICSC Mathematics Class 10th Chapter 13 Exercise Self-Evaluation and Revision. Question number 12. Use ruler and compass only for this question. Construct a triangle ABC where AB is equal to 3.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter and angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Second part, construct the locus of point inside the triangle which are equidistant from BA and BC. Construct the locus of the point inside the triangle which are equidistant from B and C. Mark the point P which is equidistant from AB, BC and also equidistant from B and C. Measure the length of PB. You see here, triangle ABC, AB is equal to 3.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter and angle ABC is 60 degree. First of all, I have drawn BC, that is equal to 6 centimeter, and at the point B, I constructed the angle 60 degree as per given. So it is a 60 degree angle here. ABC, the length of AB is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now once we got the A, now join the AC. In this way the triangle ABC has been constructed. So we have to find the point which are equidistant from AB and BC. That will be done by dividing or by drawing the bisector of angle ABC. Means BD is the locus of all those points which are equidistant from AB and BC. Now again we have to find the locus of point which are equidistant from B and C. For that I have drawn the right bisector of BC, that is EF is the right bisector of BC. Hence the points lie on EF are equidistant from B and C. At the intersection of BD and EF, that is P. P is the point of intersection of the right bisector and the angle bisector. Therefore, the P satisfies both conditions. That P is the point which is equidistant from AB and BC, and P is a point which is equidistant from B and C. You see, I have mentioned it here. BD is the angle bisector of the angle ABC. EF is the right bisector of BC. BD and EF intersect at P. P points on angle bisector BD are equidistant from arms AB, BA and BC. Points on EF are equidistant from B and C as EF is the right bisector. Therefore, the point P, which is intersection of the angle bisector and the right bisector, hence the point is equidistant from B and C as well as from BA and BC. Now proceed to the next question, that is 13. Question number 13. Using rulers and compass only, construct a triangle ABC with the following data. AB is equal to 3.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter and ABC is equal to 120 degree. In the same diagram, draw a circle with BC as the same diameter. Find a point P on the circumference of the circle which is equidistant from AB and BC. Measure the BCP. Measure the BCP. Now you see here, triangle ABC, AB is equal to 3.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, and angle ABC is 120 degree. Measure of BCP. BCP, that will be the 30 degree. After construction I have measured it. Now P is the equidistant from AB. P is equidistant from AB and BC as it is on the angle bisector of the angle BAC. Sorry, ABC. So PBC is 60 degree. BPC is 90 degree. BCP is 30 degree. So you see here the BC, that is 6 centimeter, and angle ABC is 120 degree, where AB is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So now if we just join it, it is 120 degree. So it is very convenient to draw the 60 degree angle, because the first arc, that is on 60 degree, and second arc, that is 120 degree. So by joining this, we can easily draw the line this. Now the point which intersect, taking center of the BC, I have drawn a circle which cuts the angle bisector at the point P. So P fulfills the condition that P is the point which is equidistant from BA and BC, as well as this point P is equidistant. Point P is equidistant, sorry, it is not equidistant, but it is 3.5 centimeter, so 3 centimeter from B, because it lies on this circle. So once we draw BC as a diameter, if you draw the circle, so the point which lies on the angle bisector will be always equidistant from BA and BC. So the point P, which lies on the circumference of the circle, so P is the point which will be equidistant from a BA and BC. And this angle BPC is the angle in the semicircle. Therefore, the measure of angle BPC is equal to 90 degree, and PBC is 60 degree, because it is the half of 120 degree. So this is 60, this is 90 degree, and this is 30 degree. And I have measured it also as per the construction. It is BCP, measure of BCP is 30 degree. Hence this question is completed now. Now proceed to the question number 14. Construct a triangle ABC with AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter, AC is equal to 6 centimeter, and BAC is 105 degree. Hence, construct the locus of the point equidistant from BA and BC. Construct the locus of the point equidistant from B and C also. Mark the point which satisfies the above two loci as P. Measure and write the length of PC. You see in question number 14, the triangle ABC, where AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter, AC is equal to 6 centimeter, and BAC is 105 degree. So AC is 6 centimeter. Here at the point A, I have constructed the angle equal to 105 degree. The locus of the point equidistant from BA and BC. is BD. BD means that is the bisector of the angle ABC. So all the points which lies on this BD will be equidistant from BA and BC. That is the bisector of angle ABC. Now the locus of the point equidistant from B and C. B and C. That will be the right bisector of BC. So MN is the right bisector. You see the locus of the point equidistant from B and C is MN. That is the right bisector of BC. Point P is the point of intersection of BD and MN. Hence it satisfies the above two loci. Here PC is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Geometrically I have measured it. That is 4.8 centimeter. Now proceed to the question number 15. Use ruler and compasses only for the following questions. All constructions, lines and arc must be clearly shown. To construct a triangle ABC in which the BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter, ABC is equal to 60 degree, AB is equal to 5 centimeter. So first of all I have constructed it. You see the BC is 6.5 centimeter and AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Angle ABC is 60 degree and CD is the angle bisector of ACB. So here construct the locus of the point at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from A. So 3.5 centimeter, taking A as a center and the radius equal to 3.5 centimeter, I have drawn a circle. So the path or the locus of the point which will be equidistant from A, that is 3.5 centimeter, will be a circle. You see, construct the triangle ABC such that the BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle ABC is 60 degree and AB is equal to 5 centimeter. The locus of the point at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from A is a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. The locus of the point equidistant from AC and BC is the angle bisector of angle ACB, that is CD. CD intersect the circle at X and Y which are at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from A and also the equidistant from AC and BC. Measure X and Y, that is equal to 5 centimeter.